I am back with another video, and this video isn't going to be a vlog or anything. This is a rant video. So, this is a rant video because today we're talking about slime. Now, if you watch me, before I can get mad about this, subscribe, like, comment that you subscribed, and I will be sure to reply. Okay, now, let's get into the video. Okay, so, here we go. If you like slime, I'm sorry, but slime is just a freaking waste. It's a waste of materials. It's the money put into making slime can go to a lot better things. But there's some people out there that buy like their kids like $100 worth of slime stuff. So they're like quote slime making stuff. And for those of you who use borax, I feel bad for you. Borax is toxic. So it's a waste of material. It can be toxic. And even if it isn't, it's a waste of material. And for you to make it, you are spending a lot of your taxpayers' money, parents' money, on that could be used for taxes towards slime. I've been researching this stuff around the past couple days, and I saw that around the world, that an average of $100,000 more than $100,000 is being put towards slime. That's just a waste of money, and it is freaking ridiculous why parents could let them do that when they put a crazy amount of money into it. And as long as it takes to make it, they're putting like $2 things on there, $2 prices. You should be freaking putting like 50 cents. So, for those of you who are watching, and you make slime, just quit making slime. It's a waste of materials, a waste of money, and a waste of your time. Thank you for watching. I am Z Slayer. Goodbye.